thinking about you. Get so sentimental when I'm smoking on that window and I'm looking out the window thinking about you.